section we'll be discussing about marketing environment, and there are certain forces which have indirect impact on the marketing activities, and the sum total of these forces are called macro marketing environment or broad marketing environment. Let us look at those different forces, and these are the different forces which constitute marketing environment or macro marketing environment. What are these forces? These forces are economic, socio-cultural, natural, technological, political, legal or politico-legal, and demographic environment. These forces constitute our macro marketing environment. Now let us analyze why these forces are relevant to the marketers. So let us look at the economic environment or economic forces. The economic factors like income, inflation, purchasing power have immediate impact on the marketing of any organization. Say for example, if in an economy purchasing power of the people increases, they will spend more on buying products and services. As a result, there will be opportunities for the marketers. Okay. Suppose disposable income has increased and people will spend on purchasing. If the income decreases, then it will have negative impact on marketing. Okay? So as marketers, we have to analyze the economic environment and accordingly shape our marketing programs. Another is demographic environment. So what are the factors come under demographic environment we need to understand? Demographic forces are like age, income, composition of age, sex, gender. So all these things constitute demographic environment. India poses tremendous opportunities for the marketers because Indian population is young, and young people have the tendency to spend more on buying products and services. Another socio-cultural environment. Our purchasing pattern is dependent on our culture. Okay. Due to different culture in our country, we have different festive seasons, and these festive seasons create different buying situations. Okay. Because in India, we have festive seasons starting from October. In October, here in eastern part, we have Durga Puja. Then in December, we have Christmas, then New Year. So during this time, people spend money on buying goods and services, and this purchase behavior is influenced by the culture. Another is political legal environment. That means political stability has impact on marketing in a tremendous way. So when political power changes in the country, a new government is formed, new policy comes into existence, and that impacts marketing. Okay, technological environment, upgradation of technology impacts marketing in a great way. Due to availability of new technology, new kinds of products are introduced to the market, new process of offering is introduced, a new business emerges. As a result, technological factors